I belong to a very poor family. At home, just a room, we live there. My father is a car mechanic and my mother is a housewife. As a child, I used to fear mathematics. Whenever I used to have one question or one doubt, I used to feel very shy asking teachers because I thought that my friends will laugh at me and stuff. But then Khan Academy's videos are best because I can play it whenever I want, how many times I want it. So because of videos, my concepts were crystal clear. Now I am able to teach my fellow students. I am in love with mathematics just because of Khan Academy. And of course Khan Academy is best because it is free of cost. I also want to prove the world and of course my village that having a girl child is not a problem. Basically, I want to change the world and education is the best way to do it. So I started with myself, then of course to my village and then the whole world.